Picture this. You're staring at the screen, watching the market move up and down, unsure of your next move. It feels like a guessing game, frustrating and unpredictable. But imagine if you had a strategy, a way to navigate the noise with purpose. Today, we're uncovering the top trading strategies that can transform your approach to the markets and help you trade smarter. Let's dive in. The first strategy is all about simplicity, following the trend. The saying goes, the trend is your friend. This means identifying the market's direction, up, down, or sideways, and aligning your trades with it. Tools like moving averages or trend lines help you ride the wave. But here's the catch. No trend lasts forever. That's why stop-loss orders are your safety net to protect your capital. Next, let's dive into the range trading strategy. This strategy shines in stable markets where prices oscillate between clearly defined support and resistance levels. The concept is straightforward. You buy when the price approaches support and sell as it nears resistance. However, beware of false breakouts. To avoid getting caught, tools like the Relative Strength Index RSI or Stochastic Oscillator can help you confirm the strength of these levels before you make a move. If you're looking for those explosive moments, the breakout strategy is your best friend. This strategy focuses on entering trades when the price breaks a significant support or resistance level. Volume plays a crucial role. A surge in volume often signals a legitimate breakout. Just be cautious of fakeouts and always have a stop-loss in place. For the thrill seekers, there's the scalping strategy. It's all about speed, executing multiple small trades to profit from tiny price movements throughout the day. This strategy demands quick decision-making, a solid understanding of technical analysis, and a broker with low spreads. Here, every second counts. And finally, we've got the swing trading strategy, the go-to for traders who don't have time to babysit the charts all day. Swing traders play the long game, holding positions for days, sometimes weeks, aiming to catch those juicy medium-term price moves. Want an edge? Tools like Fibonacci retracements and the MACD indicator are your secret weapons for pinpointing entry and exit points. It's all about patience and precision, a strategy that rewards the disciplined. Trading isn't just about making quick profits. It's about having a plan, refining your approach, and managing your risk. So, which strategy resonates with you? Whether you're riding the trend, trading the range, or chasing breakouts, the key is to practice and stay disciplined. If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. And don't forget to share your favorite trading strategy in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Until next time, trade smart and stay focused.